Using Awardwallet to link your credit cards is a straightforward process that can help you track your rewards and loyalty programs more efficiently. To start, you need to create an account on the Awardwallet website or download the mobile app. Once you have an account, you can begin linking your credit cards by selecting the Add Account option and choosing the type of credit card you want to link. You will need to provide the credit card issuer name, card number, and other relevant details to complete the linking process. Awardwallet uses high-level encryption to ensure your data is secure, so you do not have to worry about the safety of your information. After linking your credit cards, you can view your account balances, track your rewards earning, and set reminders for when your points are about to expire. You can also use Awardwallet to track your loyalty programs, such as airline frequent flyer miles or hotel loyalty points. To get the most out of Awardwallet, make sure to regularly update your account information and monitor your rewards balances. You can also use the app to receive notifications when your points are about to expire or when there are new rewards opportunities available. One of the key benefits of using Awardwallet is that it helps you keep track of multiple credit cards and loyalty programs in one place. This can help you maximize your rewards earning and make the most of your credit card benefits. For example, if you have multiple credit cards that offer rewards in different categories, such as travel or dining, you can use Awardwallet to track your rewards earning and make sure you are using the right card for each purchase. Overall, using Awardwallet to link your credit cards is a simple and effective way to track your rewards and loyalty programs. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can make the most of your credit card benefits and earn more rewards.